Hi, Jessica. I think your logo turned out really fresh and contemporary. It's really memorable. The rectangular shape will aid well with different correspondence that you have to do. Okay, so that is the back of the business card. Okay. All right, so that's fine. That works. I personally would rather see sort of a tighter thing. If you're going to have Jessica Hunt Design, you don't want to flip it out with a Gmail address. If you own that, then you do get access to Jessica Hunt at Jessica at jessicahuntdesign.com. And if you don't like using that, you can set it up in Gmail that all of those emails will go to your Gmail account. So anyway, I'm just trying to say make it as clean and simple as possible. So typically too, you don't need to use .com, but because this is sort of your special website, it's a good idea. So I prefer like a tighter, less center justified block, but I do think this is fine. Let's see. So this is your letterhead. Nice. I think this looks really good. I would, I'm trying to get that, there we go. Yeah, that looks really sharp. It looks beautiful. I love the gray, the touch of green. It's really nice. I would make sure I got my address in there though. People will complain if you don't have the mailing address when they want to send you a check. So get that on there. What I would do, take it or leave it, maybe in a light gray, run it down the bottom on top of the purple, or in a slightly darker gray, make a nice tight block here, not center justified, but more of a tight rectangular block of your information. But then also up here in a very light gray, you could put some of your address. You could put the real address down here, and then you could put like your digital stuff up here. Anyway. All right, very nice. Again, I wouldn't have a Gmail and a regular account. It doesn't look professional. But the rest of it does. Nice work.